Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing about uh, the function in the string, that is string copy. Okay. So in the first part, I will going to show you the use of the library function, the string copy. Okay. And in the subsequent discussion, we'll show you how to write a string copy function. Okay. So I have considered two string strorg, okay, the size of with 30 and str destination with 30, right? Okay, and let me now ask the user to enter the string. Okay, so now enter the string. Okay, so semicolon, yes, get s, okay, um, strorg, right? So what I have done is that I have asked the user and I have taken the string and I have stored in this. Now I will use the string copy function strcpy. So first we have to give the destination thing, that is strdest, okay, dest, comma strorg, okay, yes, and then after that printf. Okay, the copied string is percentage adds, comma strdest, right? Okay, sorry, right? So this is the library function strcpy. First the destination string where, okay, and then the original string. So we are copying the string from strorg to strdst, right? So that's why I've asked the user to give the strorg. So it is the user has will give the string and then it will be copying to the strdst. So let me save it and execute. Okay, so fine. So let me write here Bhupesh. Yes, see. So I have entered the string Bhupesh, okay, and the copied string is Bhupesh. Okay, right? Now we have seen the library function. Now let us use write our own code for the string copy. Now already we have stored this here in the string, right? Say the example we have stored what Bhupesh, right? As you know, the length of this string is how much? It is 7, right? So and in array we know it start from 6 0, so it will go till 6. Okay, and in the last we'll have the nothing but the null character, correct? Yes. So what we're going to do is that, so I have put I equal to 0. Okay, so I will take a loop and I will write string strorg, okay, I, okay, each character I will going to say which is the not equal to the null character. Okay, not equal to the null character. Then I will copy each of this character. So strdest I equal to strorg, okay, I, yes, and then sorry, then I will write here I plus plus. Okay, so now the copied string, okay, okay, the copied string, okay, the copied string using our own code, okay, right? Or we can say without, anyway, just to make you understand. So str, okay, last I have to put one strdest, okay, I the null character, okay, so the story, okay, yes, so let me save and let me execute. Sorry, semicolon I missed out. Okay, now let me give Bhupesh. Okay, so I got it. The copy string using your own code is Bhupesh. Okay, let us see what happens if I write more and this string. Okay, Bhupesh data is good, so we have Bhupesh data is equal to good. Okay, so what I'm doing each time, okay, I'm copying it. So if you want to see this, I can also write here printf, okay, percentage c, right, strdest, okay, I, right, okay, semicolon. So let me put one stab here. Okay, so you can see now each time I will printing this character. So each time it will take from B, then H, then U, then P, then E, S, like that. So each time it will be storing that value, right? So again, I'm doing this so that you can understand what exactly the code is doing, right? See, okay. So we have first the B, then H, okay, then U, then P, then E, then S, then H, and then ultimately we got the string copy using our own code is Bhupesh. So each of this, okay, character, we are taking it from the org. Okay, first we took B, then we took H, okay, then you took okay, BHU, then P, then E, then S, and this way we have, okay, copied the string. Yes, so this is the simple code in order to copy the string. Yes, okay, first we have seen that we can use a string copy function, right, strcpy, the destination and then the original string. This is what we have seen in the first. Second, what we have seen, we are writing our own code. What we have done, we are we are taking this original string and we are trying to extract each of this character from the original string till we reach the null character, and then we are storing that each character into the destination string. That how we have printed and showed to you. Yes, and at last, once we reach the null character, means the entire string has been have been traversed. Okay, then after that, at the end, the destination string, we add a null character and then we have print the copy. Okay, so I hope this video you have understood the string copy function, the library function, and also our simple code itself. Next video I will be talking about string copy using pointer and function. Okay, thank you so much.